game is so funny, dude. So many breaks are fun.
I love the first one, so let's see how this goes.
It's not broken. It's the first one.
Listen, was it mentioned the first one you could fall all the way through to the middle?
Oh, without dying, yeah.
Without dying. Push the door. Mike? I'll figure out how that is now.
It is in-game chat.
Yeah, I just need to figure out which one is push the door. Oh, invite friends. I should probably just do that. Sketchy.
Still down to the game, dude.
Oh, okay, it's okay. I just invite everyone.
Yeah, it's like my game.
Florence, Phantom. I think it would be quite cool doing this.
Yeah, it's hella fun.
When retards reach the forest, I already know the title.
Yeah, it's so fun.
Why is this music so loud? I just turned it off. Oh, that's better.
Yeah, my music is completely off, dude. I know how loud it is.
Oh my goodness, that's so much better. I think I can hear myself breathe again. I breathe again. I'm breathing in.
Okay, you just have to start again.
I did. It's
Okay,
loading.
okay. Ah, okay. I don't think you want any spoilers, right?
Nope.
Okay.
I didn't even watch other people playing this game.
Because I know the entire map and know where all the special items are.
It's fine, we'll make like the demo. I'm just gonna skip because I literally watched this intro. That's an interesting turn of events. The video's on a different place.
I wanted to say a dark joke, but
I'm on a different spot. Oh, that's awkward.
yeah, you spawn in different spots.
Oh, that guy's gonna fall himself to death.
I found
What? He dead?
because my game crashed. No, he didn't. Yes, he did.
Oh, I've got a knife. I'm cool like that.
Oh, that's why, because I'm playing on 4K for some fucking reason.
Now, who invited you here?
It's Calvin.
No, it's not Calvin. It's a guy in silver.
Invite me again, please. Just turn my graphics down. Everything is on ultra. Why? Put it on medium. No, low, actually, because I get like 3 frames. These things should be off, please. Let me visit myself. Put the L is on
Who the hell
ultra.
is this? Oh, it's Calvin.
Motion low, yeah.
Oh, he burst his eardrums. That hurts.
There's a lot of Easter eggs on this game. You're gonna, if you get far into the game, you're gonna see, you're gonna be shocked.
Follow me.
Maybe invite me again, please.
I will. I'm just doing the tutorial for Calvin quickly.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
By the way, just you think you can not die if he's down? You can revive him, but if he dies, he's dead.
Oh, that sucks. I can't invite you. How do I invite you?
I maybe can just enjoy you. Yeah, join game. I'm going.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Let's see. What else can I tell him to do? Negate? No. What do I? Okay, what can you tell him to do?
You can tell him to get sticks, get logs,
Oh, I
chop
want the
trees
logs.
down. Yeah.
Oh, that's how you do it. Okay, gate, logs, and drop
Bring
here.
here, yeah, whatever.
That's actually quite cool.
Well, you're gonna see it's just fucking lazy at this job, but yeah.
It sounds like you, my bro.
I was.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
I need to quickly fold. Wait, where's the backpack?
Oh, the fucking first tools are so gonna be so shit.
That's I
Crash. I've seen this crash like 6 or 7 times.
the backpack.
Okay, I've landed. Where you at?
I'll tell you.
Oh yeah, you're just in front of me, so it's fine.
How do you open the emergency pack?
You click on it and you click on that cogwheel top right.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
There we go. I need all of that.
I have to do the fucking.
You're doing
Why
the
is this-
tutorial now, aren't you?
Yeah, my senses
Yeah, I
absolute.
can see. Why? I don't mean this as a bad thing, but why are you black?
You are hella old though. Am I getting crashed again?
Baskachi. Oh, you're smiling on the way
application
up.
was unable to start correctly. Okay, why is it having problems?
It's called Operation Sketchy, I guess. Maybe because you're recording in OBS?
I'm not. I just have it open. Okay, can I close it?
Oh, that's interesting. You can now cut the logs. That's a nice
Yeah, like-
place. Can I kill this
You're gonna
one?
see. I was building this annoyingly.
Okay,
Unless you, I cannot join the game anymore.
You're still in it.
Am I still in it? I'm in the fucking main menu.
I can literally see you.
Watch game. How the fuck do I watch a game? This is not still maybe invite me again?
I can't. I'm physically watching you still here. Can I trade with you? Oh, that's interesting. I'm not going to,
Yeah, you
but I can.
you can give him clothes and shit, so he does his job better. Or he looks better. On my server, do I still have my server? Yeah, I do. Day 52. We gave him a tuxedo. Dude. He's just wearing a tuxedo.
Oh, that's cool. You've got a GPS in this one.
What in a? Oh yeah. Friends only, yeah.
Zoom in tracker by.
Yeah, you can join your server again. Please don't crash.
Oh, it's G and N. Hey, look, Bunny Rabbit. Bye, Bunny. I'm gonna eat you later. What is this? A light there?
And one more tip: spears in this game is absolutely useless.
What's of it?
Spears.
Good to know.
It's absolutely useless.
Where's my backpack? Can I equip stuff still? What is it? I can.
Yeah, you can just press on your backpack and then say like. And now I'm watching the.
Oh, you can only have one item in your backpack.
No. You can. It's only tools you can have, I think, and food.
Uh-oh.
Guys, land it again.
I can see you. You're on the floor. You're picking
I'm
up
black
the
again.
scissors. I don't know.
Well,
You
once
shall.
you go black,
You never
you
go
never
back.
go back. You're staying on the ground, dude. Oh man. Okay, you actually brought logs. Sappy, did you open these cases and collect the stuff? Yeah.
Not all of them, just some of them.
Yeah, you should collect them. It's like grenades and I'm gonna throw them. Let me just open my emergency pack. Yeah, I know.
Watch everything else.
The quad.
And Sketchy goes again. Interesting.
Everything is crashing. Why?
Maybe you need a reboot.
Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna reboot it quick.
That's fine. I'll see if I can quickly build a house or something. Oh, like a flares. Okay, how do you build? Just a big beam. I don't understand how to build. Oh, I see.
I
I think I understand how the building mechanic works now.
it's a bit wonky.
It
because,
is,
it's a bit.
It's
Um,
not amazing.
No. They could have done better. Okay, let me just turn again here. Please don't crash again. Oh, you put it on hard. Okay. Jeez, sorry.
I am the bitch.
You really want to struggle because we played on easy and some monsters one-tapped us. Oh man.
Oh well.
What? Game apps. Get in-game companion apps with maps for the various locations and some. I don't want to cheat already. Damn.
At least you're honest. This building mechanic is
Yeah.
gonna be freaking irritating, I can already see.
Oh, you get used to it. It's quite actually alright. Good thing.
How do you build foundations?
There's a just a press B, I think.
Because I think I screwed up. Is there no blueprints?
Yeah, you need blueprints as well. Yeah, I'm spawning in a fucking house.
Wall floor, there we go. Oh, that's so stupid. Wait,
Okay,
there's something else?
Why are you building it in the floor? Okay, thanks.
That's the one I'm looking for.
Please don't crash again. When I go in my inventory, it seems to crash every time.
Must be cheats.
Must be hacks, dude. And I'm taking a look at this book. It's the first time I'm seeing a book. By the way, switch modes to
Yeah,
X.
that's what I was looking for. I found it eventually.
Why am I getting 80 frames when I... Okay, that's... It matters now.
Thank you for being a jackrabbit, I guess.
Somehow this game knew I was gonna take... I lost my grenade and but the cases are open. This game is done. Oh, you're just building the
The log cabin, yeah.
yeah. Let me just equip my... Oh, it's already equipped to that one. I forgot to how to find the key to it. Oh,
Okay, the build menu isn't that bad. I like the free range build, but I also don't like it.
okay, so one more. Okay, perfect. Gotta get some... Oh, shit. I must not say.
Oh, there's another chest here that you just opened, it seems.
I didn't open shit. It just opened itself. And it's empty for some reason. Here's another one that's not open. From Tal.
Oh, I did not know you could do that.
What?
You can chop different parts of the log.
Oh yeah.
Oh. This just basically means what I just did is useless.
Is it? Yeah, kill it. No, never mind, it's faster. No. You have this. Yeah, you have. Oh, this is hard mode. So if the tree falls on us, on our house, it's done.
Thanks for that bit.
It almost did. Nice, right? And the logs just disappeared. Oh, and by the way, if you order whatever his name is, to chop down trees and he does, and it falls on your house,
Basically, good luck with that.
yeah.
Does it when you do the switch mode auto? Oh, it auto disassembles the branches. Okay, that's cool. So you just bring a log and it will do whatever.
There's a log in the water. I cannot get it out.
I am semi-enjoying this. Semi.
This is what I hate. You cannot pick logs up in the water. It's just... Kevin, go collect this Homo sapien logs, please. Thank you. Oh, you can order them to finish the construction as well. So
Will you get all the supplies?
yeah, if the supplies are around, yeah. What's this log smaller? And you can chop down tree trunks as well, so the trees don't go back.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, now what?
Just keep placing logs until it's done.
I don't understand it says.
Yeah, you need full size logs. Those are not full size logs.
Oh, wow. Okay. We're off to the orders. Okay, let's keep going. What was that?
I do the symbol. I just
I forgot.
Oh, what?
C.
What is that key? For the mic?
C.
I think it's B.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we please ask Sketchy to come down to the principal's office? Sketchy, please come down to the principal's office. You're an old man now as well.
Really?
Yeah,
Old black man.
yeah, you're no longer the same man.
Okay. That look just looked me in the face. I took away health.
What?
Yeah, I'm low now. I should be full health, but I'm not. Oh, my inventory is so empty. Dude. I'm so used to having everything.
I'm so sorry, but we'll work on it, okay?
Well, it took us like 2 months, 1 month. Non-stop grinding to get where we were.
But now you're playing with me, so.
Okay.
Did that just fall on our house?
No, almost. Oh, and by the way, bunny hopping was faster than this one.
Did you just say there's no longer bunny hopping?
There is, so it's faster than running. But it fucking eats or something. Especially when something is chasing you. We're almost done, Like
Where's Colby?
7 more loads. should have thought he was not this fast in our other server, dude. No.
Build. Finish structure.
Yeah, but I killed him like 7 billion times. Oh, and we probably should make a fire with this. Wow, yeah. Okay.
There we go. Where's the entrance?
Yeah. Oh. Very big, eh?
Wow, all of that for this. Where's
There's
the
a
safe?
butterfly on the axe. There's a butterfly on the axe. Can you see it?
No,
Yeah, there's a butterfly on the axe.
that's cool. Where's the save icon?
You need to make a bed, but I can make a cooktop. Just get this fixed. That's fine. I don't know. Inventory. Graphic card. Yeah. Look,
Shelter 2.
the boom. The boom. Top with top. Happy coming.
Furniture. I'll be looking up. Where are you, sir?
Yeah, you
Oh,
can save
yes,
them.
thank
There
you.
go. I'm gonna build a fire as well.
What do you need?
Just look food. But I have enough. One thing I want to say is sticks are also important. Especially winter time, dude.
What do you mean is the season in this game?
Yeah.
Nice touch, I guess.
And the seasons last long. Holy fucking. Okay, I'm gonna build the fire like next to the top.
Phantom sent me a message.
What does it say? Oh, if you're wondering how to make a fire, just get out a stick, look at the ground, and just lift it.
But get out a stick.
Yeah.
This inventory
Yeah.
system is confusing the shit out of me, I'm not gonna lie. Where's my sticks? I know
Bottom
I
right.
picked up. Bottom?
Bottom right. Bottom right, yeah.
Good. And then?
Look at the ground, you're gonna see two broken sticks on the ground, right? Yeah, just left click twice and then you can make a fire.
Oh my goodness.
And you fuel it by
With
fuel
leaves.
key. Yeah, with leaves. You just walk through bushes and shit. There's another butterfly next.
Okay, let's see. What can this one do? Gate? Fish. And
Oh, and
drop here.
do I have stones? Do you set it? Look.
Sketchy. Hot
Like,
stuff
yeah.
coming through, bro.
I'm experienced, I swear. Stones, place here, boom, and you make one fire.
Oh, okay, that's what I was gonna ask. So just stones.
Yeah, big stones, not little plates.
We
Not
did
that
that?
big. Jesus Christ, dude.
It's just you said big stones.
Like this size, yeah, set
Oh
this
god.
Okay.
You mean rocks?
Yeah, whatever, it's same thing.
There we go. Okay. Oh, fish.
Don't put
How do you
oh,
build
we
the
can- fishing, yeah, you need like 30 sticks or one.
where do you put it?
If you wanna do a fish catcher,
No, I want to do the what do you call this boat? I'm gonna get confused quite quickly. Okay, there we go.
yeah, we need to put on loose.
You put on these, I'm looking for the
Yeah, and you
the,
see these
the
logs.
things so you can make
Set it.
huh?
You see these logs, these tiny logs.
Yeah.
You can cut them up Yeah, this is the I've no idea. It's nice. Yeah, it's gonna show you like a.
Yeah, I know the little arrow thing. I already cut those in half.
I don't know. To make the fire bigger, you just place those two in.
I can cut this one in half.
Yeah, I think that size might be.
Oh, there we go.
Place one. Fire will just last longer. Yes, I think that's the max you can put in. Yeah.
Let's see. I got too much.
You got a fish, dude. You got a fish with his hand. Hello.
Yeah, I got. You already gave me 2.
Shit, I'm gonna cook one right
How do
now.
you cook them?
You hold E on the fire,
Oh yeah.
and then
Oh, then you
just-
select what you want to put on them. Okay.
Yeah. And then you see the little green Pac-Man?
Yeah.
If it turns orange, you can eat it. Just hold E.
I like how he's just chilling.
Yeah, he's waiting for his fish to. And you can build structures with the rocks that you pick up. And the balls and Eiffel Tower.
We should probably start doing what do you call it? A wall around us.
Takes time. Later, I just want to show you our world again.
Sure. There's a fish looking.
It's a little bit spoiler alert, but yeah, a little bit too much.
Still just green.
Yeah. Fish takes a long time. Are you chilling,
Oh
mate?
shit. I took the wrong one. No, I didn't.
So later, if we catch more like fish, we just need drying rack.
Can you still build? Oh yeah, I was about to ask. Can't you build a drying rack?
And then I get this put me up in. It's the best efficient way for food. It's the most hunger.
And that
Water.
should be in. Not sharp.
There's a squirrel. There's a squirrel.
Get it.
I'm chasing it.
Rain cut.
I got it. Okay, come here. Exploit number 1.
There you go.
Right there. You see this squirrel? No, fuck off bushes.
Yeah,
You see
press
that?
E.
You see that little knife? No. We just get it. Then we get 2 meat.
Oh, you're doing the doubles. Okay.
Yeah. Now we got 2 meat out of 1 squirrel.
Oh, clever.
Yeah, that's exploit number 1.
But that makes sense. How's the fish?
You know we need to go to the beach for
I
the.
think he took the fish. What did he do with the fish?
I have 1 raw meat in my inventory, no fish.
Get
Listen to me, you little shit.
fish and drop here.
No, give to me because it just puts it right into inventory.
Oh, if he gives it to you.
Yeah, he walks up to you and just.
I can't believe you
gives
took the fish, Mother. I'll have to cook this meat, otherwise I'm not gonna make it.
I'm gonna stick on the fire. So, deer gives you the most meat. Gives you like if you double it. So, me, Becca, Lofi, and Aspect play this game. We all skinned 1 deer and we got like 20 pieces of meat from all 5. So, it's a little bit of a sane, exploit, but it's fine.
Still can't believe they can't pick our fish.
The way he catches it, dude, he just waits for fish and just grabs them out of the water. Insane, dude.
This man.
He's so different, dude.
You think you're cool? Are you as cool as this?
I'm another squirrel.
I just want to see, can you add more love?
Bird.
It's a bird, it's a plane, it's Superman.
Oh, later those big logs that he placed on is gonna disappear.
And then we can just add new ones.
Yeah. So later we can build a chimney, like a big fireplace, and then it's like the fire's gonna all come on.
It's so dark, I forgot how dark this game is at night.
I turned my brightness actually like way lower than it should be, so it is more stereo.
Yeah. I'm gonna give him something he won't be able to do.
Why is this shit not cooking, bro? Yeah.
Give me a sec.
Or am I retarded? Let me take one piece of meat.
Oh, they
and see
burned.
if- Oh.
You need to check them now. You physically need to check them.
Yeah, normally it's the indicator showing, yeah, it's cooked or whatever.
No, we screwed up some.
Oh, this is okay.
Burnt meat.
I officially ate this game. The Pac-Man was my only, yeah, the Pac-Man was only the only fucking way of me telling, yeah, my favorite.
I think you need to check the color. Oh shit, I just ate burnt fish. Where do you drink
yeah,
water?
We don't have water sources right now. You can just drink out of the river, but it will poison you. It won't kill you, but it will like reduce your stamina and max out. Yeah, I think you can drink it. Yeah,
Wow.
come on. Step it on it. Put down in the water and hold it.
That's a rock. There you go.
You will see top left, it will like reduce your
Oh
max
yeah, I
out.
see. I need to do this anyway. Oh.
Well, one thing we learned very late is if you come in a cave, then you have to dupe meds. Because medication is a problem, health. Holy shit.
Can you see?
Okay, at least on day one there's no fucking critters. Is there still fish on it? Yeah, there's still fish on it.
Okay.
Burned as well, dude. Nah, this game is actually good.
Finish
Oh, you can-
structures. I want him to try and see if he can find a turtle shell or something.
No, you won't.
Well, there he goes.
There's an arrow in your foot somehow, dude.
There's an arrow in my foot.
Yeah, I took it out. We can sleep if you want to in the top. Now food and hunger is gonna be extremely low.
Oh no, not the boat.
I have to eat very fish. Lovely.
I think this thing's gonna.
Surprisingly, it did not die overnight.
Oh, there's Virginia. There she goes.
Wait.
She's in
Oh
the
yeah,
forest.
yeah. Later you can tame him.
She's coming to me.
Yeah. Put away your axe. Put away your axe. I forgot how to.
G, and there she goes.
Yeah. Later you can give her a gun, dude. And
Why
see
did you
if
chase
she
away our
stays.
only hope? Where is Kevin?
You told him to send Ace. I forgot. Yeah, if you click middle mouse, it zooms in and out. Come here, I want you to catch more fish or what is it? You got a lot of sticks actually.
No, I asked for sticks.
Yeah, he's knocking all over. Okay. Come here, get us more fish. Why is my game so pixelated?
Oh, there's Virginia again.
Fish. Give to me.
There's Virginia again.
Behind me. Yeah, normally if you
Virginia.
walk up to us, he just runs away in the beginning. Where did I run again? Oh, my settings is way too low. Yeah, I still get like a...
Did I just get bullets? I just picked up 9mm bullets. That's so useless.
Why? Ultra performance now, put it on fucking balance. Oh my god, shit. I just lost like 40 frames or something.
Give me a second, I'm just getting some water. But not in game.
Yeah, bring me that fish. Thank you.
My character was so thirsty, I got thirsty.
Is it food for you if you want to eat?
Is it cooked?
No.
Violet it.
It's uncooked. Was there vehicles in the first game?
No, there wasn't.
Oh yeah. Are you done?
Not yet.
Thank you. No. I mean, Mr. Take a break. Yeah, sure. Why not? I'm generous.
I think it's still raw, okay.
Oh, he doesn't do the surprise. Oh, they fucked up. Man. If you tell him take a break, he just like gets surprised and jump around. Yeah, but I removed it.
It's still cooking
Man.
my fish, huh?
Have another one.
Okay, it changes color immediately.
Yeah. Hello? This game is broken. Happy? Check.
Yes. Are you walking on top or he does not think you are like...
Absolute bozo, dude.
He thinks you're freaky, but he doesn't like it a lot.
Oh, it's a fish, but can I axe out, please? I'm gonna cut the salmon.
Okay,
Maybe,
I'm gonna go search for a turtle on this.
You need to go to the beach, dude. And if you zoom out of your map, it is straight across 3 miles.
Oh my goodness, that is so far.
I'm starting on the edge, by the way.
What's that?
There's a good.
Someone on...
You wanna go, bitch? I'm low health, so I'm like.
How do I get my... I need my weapons.
Come here. Okay, 1-8. You can hold it. Okay, you just absolutely. Okay, he's dead, don't worry, dude.
This
He's dead.
is literally gonna. Oh, you're just gonna burn her alive.
Yeah. So it
Otherwise, she
doesn't-
attracts more, you know.
And she gives you bones as well, so it's good for armor. Yes. I'm gonna sit in the house and go take a wee.
You do that. I need health. No, we're not kidding. Health is gonna be a problem.
Yeah. It's even on hard mode. On easy mode it was fucking difficult. On the hard mode I don't really know. But I'll be back now.
Okay, back.
Ah, okay.
Gate. Bow. Maintain base. Oh shit. Where's this thing? Shelter. That's 3 shelters. There should be furniture. No. It should be something.
I'll come back.
Okay.
Okay, you probably noticed there's vehicles in the game. Okay, never mind.
Nah. Can you just bring me an apple, please? Looks quite nummy. Gathering.
Happy?
Lodia?
Do you wanna get a vehicle first?
I thought we were gonna finish the base. We
Oh,
can
you
do
wanna-
whatever.
Okay, yeah, we can just finish it.
I just thought it would be clever if we have everything we need first before we go on our grand adventures. Thanks. Thanks, baby. I just got an apple, my bro.
Nice. Whatchamacallit? A Granny Smith.
No. A Ready Smith.
Oh, Lady Smith, okay.
What do I call them? Utterly delicious.
I just like green apples more than red.
Oh yeah, same. But
It's
this is
more
what we
cheap.
have right now, so...
I'm just smoking, so I will join you in a second.
No, take your time, bro. I'm picking up sticks at the moment.
I'm still trying to remember where all the vehicles are in this map.
Shot.
I don't know why, but the second the Sons of the Forest is not as scary as the first game because
Okay. Fish and give me. Get me some fishes, please.
how do you get fresh water again after that?
Oh,
you
you
just
like
boil
you
it.
need to.
No. You get a pot somewhere, get lake water, and just boil it on a fire, dude.
That's also a good idea, I guess.
But pots we have to go find campsites and shit like that. I know one quite close by.
Well, how do you build the walls? I can't find them.
You don't build walls like in the first game. You just get logs, place them in the ground. Like if it shows like
Oh, I know what you mean. You mean the other
Yeah,
building
yeah.
thing.